And so we want to start by saying, look, current tools aren't helping. And the ones that you're using are often sitting unused. Like we're not using those licenses because people aren't getting the value out of those tools that they're starting to use. And the ease of simplicity of airdrop and the knowledge graph really matters because we know how complicated running companies has become. You need software solutions for IT, for marketing, for product development, customer support, sales, and more. And figuring out how to help all of your employees access all of that information and turn it into knowledge that they can use is really hard. And that's why we built DevRev to scale easily and create connections to all of your varying services, which unlocks powerful new capabilities. We call it DevRev Enterprise Search, which doesn't just help you find information, it provides answers to your toughest questions. Teams will regain lost time, they'll reduce software costs, they'll boost productivity, and all of that will lead to accelerated decision-making and better strategic alignment. Because with DevRev, companies can proactively identify and resolve issues, ensure that they stay ahead of the competition, and drive innovation in our modern AI-enabled age. So let's unpack how that works. Now, with traditional enterprise search, that treats everything like a document. You type keywords, you get a list of files, and DevRev fundamentally changes this by understanding both your structured data, like tickets, metrics, and KPIs, and unstructured content, like conversations, documents, and web results. And it puts them together in your business context. Our knowledge graph maintains the relationships between all these different types of information in real time, bidirectionally. This means when you're investigating a customer issue, you don't just find related tickets, you see the complete picture, including relevant conversations, metrics, and code changes, all in one place. No more switching between your analytics dashboard, your document search, and your ticketing system. Now, in addition to a better user experience for your teams, it also means savings for your company. Our customers using DevRev Enterprise Search have reported cost reduction by as much as 50%. Since consolidating everything into one interface means you can reduce your license costs once you're providing secure role-based access to the same information through DevRev. Now, most search tools offer the same experience to everyone. DevRev takes a radically different approach by adapting to each user's context. The system learns from how you work, your role, your common queries, the information you find most valuable, and automatically tailors the results to be more relevant over time. We've made this intelligence available wherever teams already work, whether that's through our browser extension, Slack integration, or desktop app. There's no need to change your workflow or learn new tools. The system maintains strict security and compliance guidelines while maximizing access to relevant information, and it continuously improves as it learns from usage patterns across your organization. This also means that we can do things like control AI access with security governance. So today, we can precisely control who sees what information through permission-aware search and granular access controls. And what's coming is we can give AI access only to explicitly authorized systems backed by detailed audit trails, and we can protect sensitive business information during critical periods, such as blackout controls for sales and financial data. You'll see this coming in Q1 and Q2 of this year. But the real magic comes in the final step. Deploying new AI solutions powered by large language models, blending the best offerings from the leading frontier model providers into a custom, workplace-ready conversational interface. And that makes search just the start. Conversational AI means employees can engage with all of your data using natural language. They can provide the system feedback to refine responses and improve outputs. And they can streamline workflows to reduce the time they spend searching for information in the first place. This allows teams to focus on executing their strategies and solving complex problems rather than just finding the right document, ticket, or other artifact. Moreover, just like with consumer grade systems like ChatGPT, your teams can use DevRev to summarize documents, brainstorm new projects, analyze data, create emails or documents, and provide the system feedback to refine and improve the results that they receive specific to the job that they need to do. Not only that, teams can automate new solutions, tasks, or queries on the back of your data sets, accelerating their work with specialized agentic workflows for any persona using DevRev's agent reasoning and routing technology and accessing pre-built and customized agentic skills. All of this is built on the back of our Agent OS platform, which sits on the top of the knowledge graph to deliver highly accurate search with precise results and all the reasoning capabilities you've come to expect from consumer-grade LLMs, but working on your proprietary data. And because it works on both structured and unstructured data, we're able to build and deliver personalized workflows, allowing for automations and actions across your products that saves your team's time. And finally, it does all of this through lightning-fast analytics that work in real time across your applications, allowing you and your teams to make data-driven decisions confidently and quickly. I'm going to step out of my voiceover now because, again, this is like a consistent bookend to this narrative. You've seen this in the previous one. This gets to like our key ask at the end. Adopting things are simple, zero disruption, no overhaul. And then there's a specific benefit of where we're seeing customers transform their organizations and the benefits they're receiving as early adopters that's specific to enterprise search. That wraps the walkthrough that I'm going to do. You guys